Hi, everybody. I'm back. Terry Davis, Respected Artist International, RAI Voice, with your fourth mini vocal exercise on the kazoo. Yay! Today's exercise is super simple. We're simply going to make a siren sound going up and down an octave, and we're going to slide it. Just like that. Let's get started. We're going to start on the A below middle C for the high voices and an octave lower below that. All right? Here we go. There you go. Quick and easy. All right, so that was the fourth of a series of 4 exercises that you can quickly do on the kazoo. If you didn't see 1, 2, and 3, go to my profile page and you can see them. All right? In the meantime, give me a like and follow me and share this if you thought this was helpful. Terry Davis, RAI Voice.